What's up everybody, welcome to another review video. Today I have this Noorio camera. This is a security camera, comes with spotlight and battery. Well, actually I like this one because this is wear free. There are a few interesting features that I really like about this product. The first thing is 100% wear free, and the second thing is 180 days of battery life. Color night vision, local storage, so we don't have to spend extra money for cloud storage, full HD 1080p, advanced AI detection, activity zones, IP66 certified. That means we can use this one outside our home, and two-way audio, Wi-Fi connection. Wow. A lot of features. The three most important things are: number one, this one comes with a 6500 mAh battery. That's great because we don't have to recharge it for 180 days. This one is wear free. We don't need any cable. This one has Wi-Fi connection and we can put it anywhere where we have Wi-Fi connection. Even if in my case I don't have to put it outside, I have bought two of these for my studio, for my office. I am already using one of these Noorio camera, and yeah, this is the second one because one is not enough, we need another. I'm totally in love with this product. This is one of the best security cameras that I have ever used, or I could even buy within this price range. $119 US, that's the price, and even within $200 US, there is no other product, no other security camera which performs as good as this one. Well, first we will do the unboxing, then we will connect this one with an application. Yeah, Noorio has a very nice application. We will go through everything, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, this is the new one. Let's do the unboxing. After opening the top lid, you will notice that there is this Noorio camera. Yeah, this one really looks nice. It isn't that bulky, but it has its weight because this one is built with premium quality materials. Build quality and finishing is really great. There is a port at the back of this Noorio camera. This is a USB-C port, so you can use any USB-C charger to charge this Noorio. There is a button to sync this Noorio camera with the application, with your smartphone. There is a hole to screw it on the mount, but okay, I haven't talked about the other thing that I like about this. There is a very strong magnetic mount provided inside the box, and you can put it anytime on the magnetic mount on any angle. You can rotate it, you can take it off, and yeah, that's really a nice thing. Let's put this camera aside. Inside the box there are 4 screws. There are 2 different type of mounts provided. This is the one which you can screw with the Noorio camera, and the other one is the magnetic one. This is the other one. This one is the magnetic mount. This magnet is really very strong. Well, Noorio has also provided a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, there is a very loud speaker. This is the speaker grill. You can call this camera or you can have two-way audio conversation. And yeah, there is a LED light which shows battery status and event status. There is a spotlight added, and these LED lights are really very powerful. I am really impressed with the build quality and its performance. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I have been using one of these cameras in my studio. Let's go and check that one. Let's take this with us. As I've been using one of these for a while, I have already downloaded the application, and here is the camera in real time. I can see who is doing what, in the workplace. Through the application, we can check Wi-Fi connection and battery status. There is events, like if anything happens, then this Noorio will record the video. We can schedule, we can do geofencing, we can select home, away, sleep. A lot of options are there. I'm not gonna go through this application, all the options, but I must mention this is very easy. And most importantly, if you don't wanna spend a single penny for cloud storage, you don't have to. You really don't have to. Because this camera comes with 8 GB of storage, which is good enough for days after days, weeks after weeks. We have already recorded 348 events, and that one only has used 492 megabytes. So at this pace, I can use this one for 3 months without deleting any data. Well, let's set up this new Noorio camera.
Welcome to Noorio. Please set up your device in Noorio app.
Connect to device.
Connecting to the network. Device was added successfully.
As I'm sitting in my studio, Wi-Fi signal is not as good as that side door because here in this studio there is no Wi-Fi router and this one is a blocked room. There is 57% battery available. So we can check all the details from the application. Well, if I want, I can go through and talk about a lot of features about this product and keep praising this product, but I'm not here to do any advertisement of a product. I'm here to share my honest experience and honest opinion. So I think you have already got a very good idea how good is this product. Convenience is the most important part of this product because in some places it's very difficult to get power connection. So this one adds a very good convenience to life. You don't have to worry about any hassle. Just fully recharge it, connect it to the application and put this one on the magnetic mount. You are good to go. You wanna rotate it, you wanna move it, you can do anything. And this one is IP66 certified, so you don't have to worry about whether like water or dust. If it's raining outside and you wanna put this one outside, you can do that without any issue. I have talked about the LED light. This LED light is very, very powerful. Well, that's all about this Noorio security camera. If you have any question about this product, then please don't forget to make a comment and ask me in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.